Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, integers. So, let's learn about integers. So, as we know that the counting number means natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The smallest natural number is 1 but is no greatest natural number. If 0 is included in the collection of natural number, then the collection is called whole numbers. When 0 along with all the natural numbers are there, then we call those numbers whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0 and there is no greatest whole number. Every natural number or whole number has a successor. Successor means the number which comes after a number, like after 4, the successor of 4 is 5. The natural number 1 have predecessor. The whole number 0 also has predecessor. We can subtract a smallest whole number from a greater whole number. We can also subtract an whole number from another equal whole number, but the subtraction of a greater whole number from a smaller whole number is not possible. Like, can you subtract 9 from 4? Yes, 4 minus 9. Then in that case there will be negative numbers. If we subtract, we will get negative numbers. When a whole number is subtracted from an equal whole number, we get 0. Suppose I am subtracting 4 from 4. So 4 minus 4 will give 0. So we will get 0. If a whole number is subtracted from a smaller whole number, then we get a number which is less than. The number which are less than 0 called नेगेटिव नंबर्स. जो नंबर 0 से छोटे होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? नेगेटिव नंबर, जैसे -1, -2, -3, -20 एंड सो ऑन. So to differentiate these negative numbers from whole numbers, we need to use a minus sign. A minus sign attached to the number. This indicates that number with negative sign are less than 0. -1, yes, less than 0 is written as -1, less than 0 is written as -2, less than 0 is written as -3 and so on. In general, we use a positive plus sign with number that are above 0 and a negative sign minus with those that are less than 0. Similarly, the step to the right of the 0 will be represented by plus sign and to the left of 0 it will be represented by minus sign. Okay, so let's start now integers. What are integers? These are a set of whole numbers. Their opposites and 0. Integers are often represented on a number line. Here, students, you are given number line. Integers are often represented on a number line. Examples of integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, to the right of 0 we take positive integers and to the left of here, when we look at this number line, to the left of 0 is negative integers here. Okay, so integers, types of integers. Integers can be either positive or negative. The only exception to this rule is the integer 0, which is neither positive nor negative. And we can say कि 0 is neither positive nor negative. ना ही ये नेगेटिव नंबर है और ना ही ये पॉजिटिव है. ओके, So about chapter number 1, integers. Key integers are represented on number line, and integers are often represented on a number line, and examples of integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then types of integers. Integers can be either positive or negative. The only exception to this rule is the integer 0, which is neither positive nor negative. Then positive integers. Positive integers are written with or without a plus sign. Okay, if plus sign is not there with a number, suppose 8 is written and along with that plus sign is not, it is understood ki it is plus 8. Okay, so on the number line, these are the numbers to the right of 0. So 0 ke jo red line, it is indicating towards, yes, towards the right of 0, we take positive integers. Okay, like 1, 2 are positive integers here. Then negative integers. Negative integers are written with a minus sign, that is -5, -2, -8 on the number line. These are the numbers to the left of 0. So this red arrow, yes, it is towards the left side of 0. So here we indicate negative integers. Okay, so we take here negative integers. Then integers, positive and negative integers are the mirror image to one another on the number line. To the right of 0 there are positive integer 1, 2, 3, and to the left of 0 are -1, -2, -3. Okay, and you know always 3 is greater than 0. 3 is greater than 0, but -1 is always less than 0. Okay, -1 is less than 0. Then integers recap. So students, in this chapter, in this topic today, you have learnt about integers. We know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Negative number are -3, -2, -1. If we take all together negative numbers 0 and positive numbers, then we will get a new collections of numbers as -1, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this collection of number is integers. This collection of number is known as integers. The collection of integers has 3 parts. 3 parts means it has 0, it has positive integers, it has negative integers. Okay, so what you have learned today, key on a number line, numbers to the left of 0 are called negative numbers. The negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 together form the collection of integers. On a number line, every integer on the right is greater than the integer on the left and vice versa. Okay, then you will learn representation of integers on number line and how to add integers on number line. And always students remember कि 0 is less than every positive integer, 0 is greater than every negative number, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Further, a number from 0 on the right greater is its value. The greater is the number, the lesser is its opposite. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. So in the lesson you learned today about concept of integers, how integers are represented on a number line, how to write positive and negative integers. Positive and negative integers are equal and opposite. And in exercise 6.1 you will write the opposites of the increase in weight. Opposite of increase in weight will be decrease in weight. 30 km north will be 30 km south. 326 BC, its opposite will be 326 AD. Loss of rupees 700 will be gain of rupees 700. 100 meter above sea level, its opposite will be 100 meter below sea level. Then in question number 2, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Like an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. If it is above the ground, what will you write? You will write plus 2000 meter. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. When below the sea level is, what you will write? You will write minus 800 meter. Okay, you will write minus 800 meter. A deposit of rupees 200, if money is being deposited in the bank, it will be plus rupees, plus sign rupees 200. Withdrawal of rupees 700, when you withdraw money from the bank, means money is subtracted from your account, then it will be minus rupees 700. Minus rupees 700. And in third question you will represent the numbers on a number line. Question number 3. Okay, and question number 4 you will do that. Okay, this presentation by Neelam Jan. So students, thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless all of us.